NCAA decision on UNC could not conclude academic violations for football, basketball. North Carolina has finally learned its fate in a multi-year NCAA academic case. The NCAA infractions panel announced Friday morning that it could not conclude North Carolina violated NCAA rules. The record did not establish that the university created and offered the courses as part of a systematic effort to benefit only student-athletes, said Greg Sankey, the chief hearing officer on the panel, according to a tweet. Investigators first arrived at UNC more than 7 years ago in a football probe that ultimately spawned into this case focused on irregular courses featuring significant athlete enrollments. The ruling comes roughly 8 weeks after UNC appeared before the infractions panel in August in Nashville, Tennessee, for a 2-day hearing that included Chancellor Carol Folt, Athletic Director Bubba Cunningham, men's basketball coach Roy Williams, football coach Larry Fedora and women's basketball coach Sylvia Hatchell. The focus of the investigation was independent study-style courses in the formerly named African and Afro-American Studies, AFAM, department on the Chapel Hill campus. The courses were misidentified as lecture classes but didn't meet and required a research paper or 2 for typically high grades. In a 2014 investigation, former U.S. Justice Department official Kenneth Weinstein estimated more than 3,100 students were affected between 1993 and 2011, with athletes across numerous sports making up roughly half the enrollments. The NCAA has said UNC used those courses to help keep athletes eligible. After sanctioning the football program in March 2012 in the original case, the NCAA reopened an investigation in summer 2014, filed charges in May 2015, revised them in April 2016 and again in December. The NCAA originally treated some of the academic issues as improper benefits by saying athletes received access to the courses and other assistance generally unavailable to non-athletes. The NCAA removed that charge in the second Notice of Allegations, NOA, then revamped and reinserted it into the third NOA. UNC challenged the NCAA's jurisdiction, saying its accreditation agency, which sanctioned the school with a year of probation, was the proper authority and that the NCAA was overreaching in what should be an academic matter. The NCAA enforcement staff countered in a July filing, "The issues at the heart of this case are clearly the NCAA's business." UNC has argued non-athletes had access to the courses and athletes didn't receive special treatment. It also challenged Weinstein's estimate of athlete enrollments, saying Weinstein counted athletes who were no longer team members and putting the figure at less than 30%. The infractions panel is chaired by Southeastern Conference Commissioner Greg Sankey and includes former U.S. Attorney General Alberto Gonzales. As CBSSports.com previously reported, former tutor Mary Willingham has gone on record against former academic practices with UNC athletes. Emails suggesting benefits of tickets and invites to watch football games from the sidelines have also stained the academic reputation of the school in recent years.